Hello and welcome to day 21 of Vlogust and Mediterranean Lifestyle Month. Yesterday I said I was going to start cutting 2 days together, so I'm going to show you now what we made for dinner last night. We made a really quick chicken cacciatore. So it was made with boneless chicken just to make it quicker. I don't really like chicken on the bone all that much. So it's an easy recipe, it doesn't take long to make, and it has nice chunky vegetables in it, and here we go. We're making a quick and easy chicken cacciatore. So we have some boneless chicken in here that we've marinated in some olive oil with some garlic and some Italian spice. Now we're browning it before we put it in the sauce. We removed the chicken and now we're going to soften up some vegetables. We have some chunky onions, some garlic, and some red bell pepper. We're also going to deglaze the pan with a little bit of white wine. Now that the harder vegetables are a little bit soft, we're going to add some mushrooms. All of these vegetables are cut chunky because you want them to have a presence within the sauce. So we're ready to put the chicken back in. We're also making a chunky tomato sauce that's going to go in with the rest of the ingredients by using whole Italian peeled tomatoes. Some of them we cut in half to keep them chunky, and some of them are just going to melt down on their own. And we also added a can of tomato paste for thickness. To the tomato sauce, we're adding some oregano and some crushed red pepper. Now we've let these cook together for a couple of minutes and we're ready to add our tomato mixture. Now we're just going to let this cook for a while with the lid on. So I hope you try that. It's really delicious. And right now it is day 21 now, so I'm on my way to the gym. I want to start my day with a gym session before we get into our food for the day. So come along for the journey. And now for my post-workout treat. After the big sandwiches we had for lunch, we're not super hungry for dinner, so I'm just making us a snack. I'm making some bruschetta. So I have 2 tomatoes chopped up in here, a half of an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, some salt, pepper, oregano, some olive oil. I'm going to mix it all up. I'm going to toast these pieces of bread in the oven, and then I'm just going to dump all the tomato stuff on top. Pooped. I hope you enjoyed the food, and I am going to bed. I will see you in 2 days. Bye.